Good morning, children. Hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome in computer class. In this video, we will continue with the chapter 1 Evolution of Computers. Students, in the previous class you have learnt about early computers. Now, here today I am going to deal with the next topic, classification of computers. In the 20th century, electricity was invented. So, the computer began using power. The invention of electricity led to the rapid development of computer in the 20th century. Let us discuss how to modern computer evolved generation of the generation. Generation of computers. First generation computers 1947 to 1956. Second generation computers 1956 to 1964. Third generation computers 1964 to 1971. Fourth generation computers 1971 to 1982. Fifth generation computers 1982 onwards. Now let us discuss first generation computers. The computers that were developed from 1947 to 1956 were called the first generation computers. The first generation computers used vacuum tubes. A vacuum tube consists of a glass bulb and wire. The wire is used to carry data in the form of electronic signals. The first generation computers were very large, expensive, and required huge amount of electricity. The ENIAC electronic numerical integrator and computer was the first generation computer. Now, second generation computers. The second generation computers were developed between 1956 and 1964. Now, what is difference between the first and second generation computers? The second generation computers use transistor instead of vacuum tubes. As transistors are smaller than a vacuum tubes, but computers became much smaller in size. They also became faster and cheaper. Now, third generation computers 1964 to 1971 was the period of the third generation computers. Integrated circuit was introduced during the development of third generation computers. An integrated circuit is as small as a transistor, but it can work as fast as thousands of them. Integrated circuit made computers faster, cheaper, and smaller than the second generation computers. They used less electricity and made fewer mistakes. Now, fourth generation computers. The computer developed since 1971 to 1982 were called the fourth generation computers. The fourth generation computers use microprocessor. A microprocessor consists of a small silicon chip on which thousands of circuits are placed. The fourth generation computers are smaller, portable, and cheaper. They use less electricity and produce less heat. Fifth generation computer. Computers that are currently being researched and developed at the fifth generation computer. The fifth generation computers are the most advanced computers. Scientists are now trying to develop fifth generation computers in a way that they can think on their own. This is called artificial intelligence. Robots work on this technology. Param and Anurag are the names of supercomputers. They were made in India. I hope you all have enjoyed this module. Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.